Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dhaval from FP&A Professionals Institute, and today we're going to talk about something that's rarely taught in finance courses, but absolutely essential if you want to grow fast and make a real impact. Soft skills. Yes, technical skills like Excel, modeling, and forecasting are important, but they are not enough. What truly sets apart high-performing FP&A professionals from average ones isn't just how good they are with numbers. It's how well they can communicate, collaborate, and influence. So in this video, I'm going to break down 6 soft skills that can 10x your FP&A career. Whether you're an analyst or a director, let's get into it. First is communication. Speak finance in business language. You may be amazing at analysis, but if your insights don't land, they don't matter. In FP&A, you are constantly talking to sales leaders, marketing heads, operations teams, and of course the CFO and CEO. Each of them speaks a different language. Your job is to translate complex financial data into business insights. Example, don't say net margin declined by 1.5% due to SG&A variances. Say, we are spending more on customer support and it's impacting profitability. Here is how we can adjust. Learn to simplify, clarify, and tell the story behind the numbers. Second is business acumen and thinking beyond spreadsheet. FP&A isn't just about math, it's about understanding the business model. You need to know what drives the revenue, where the costs are leaking, what KPIs actually matter, and how your forecast connects strategy. This helps you move from a reporting person to a decision partner. Read your company's annual report. Listen to your CEO's earnings calls. Talk to people outside of finance. Start seeing your role as a commercial advisor and not just a data analyst. Third is stakeholder management, building trust across the table. You're not working in isolation. Every forecast, budget, or a model needs input from business teams, which means you need to build relationships, manage expectations, deal with resistance, and still deliver on the deadlines. People may push back on your assumptions or question numbers. Don't take it personally. Instead, collaborate, ask questions, and bring them along in the process. Strong stakeholder management makes FP&A faster, smoother, and far more impactful. Fourth is influencing skills. Drive action, not just insight. Here's a truth bomb. Data doesn't drive decisions. People do. Your job in FP&A is to help decision makers take action, and that takes more than just showing charts. You need to frame your message around impact, tailor your pitch to your audience, present options with clear recommendations, anticipate objections and address them. For example, don't just say expenses are 8% above the budget. Say, here is the impact if we don't course correct. And here are 2 actions that we can take to fix it. That's how you become a strategic partner and not just a data provider. Fifth, emotional intelligence, staying calm under pressure. FP&A roles can be high pressure, especially during forecast revisions, board meetings, year-end closings, and ad hoc free drills. Sometimes your numbers will be challenged. Sometimes plans will change last minute. Sometimes you will feel you're caught between business and finance. This is where emotional intelligence matters. Stay calm. Don't take feedback personally. Read the room. Adapt your tone, your approach, and your message. High EQ makes you a better team player and a better leader, especially in cross-functional teams. Sixth is growth mindset. Keep evolving. The best FP&A professionals don't say, that's not my job. They say, what can I learn from this? Whether it is picking up Power BI, learning SQL, trying a new forecast method, or simply understanding a new product line. The willingness to grow is what sets future CFOs apart. Get feedback. Ask questions on your own development. You don't need to be perfect. Just be willing to learn and adapt. So here's a quick recap. 6 soft skills that will 10x your FP&A career. First, communication, translating numbers into insights. Second, business acumen. Understand what drives the performance of the business. Third is stakeholder management. Build strong, trusted relationships. Fourth, influencing skills. Move people to act, not just listen. Fifth, emotional intelligence. Stay grounded under pressure. And sixth, growth mindset. Keep learning and keep evolving. Final thoughts. Soft skills aren't a nice to have in FP&A. They are the secret sauce. They turn analysts into business partners and partners into future finance leaders. If you focus on building even just one of these skills this month, you will start seeing the difference in how people respond to your work, in the impact that you can make, and in opportunities that come your way. In the Certified Global FP&A Professional course that we offer at FPI, we cover practical techniques along with real-life cases as to how you can become a better finance business partner. Check out the details in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Which soft skill are you going to focus on this quarter and why? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.